mist down in the valley and the snow lies on the hill. No men walk through the empty street, the pit lies quiet and still. There's a keen wind down the valley road that bites into your skin. But the people of the Rhondda will keep fighting till they win. Oh Mardy, oh Mardy, the last pit in the Rhondda. When I was small I used to sit down by the fireside to hear the tales of struggle that would fill my heart with pride. I heard of the evictions back in 1932, when the people of the Rhondda wouldn't let the bailiffs through. Oh Mardy, oh Mardy, the last pit in the Rhondda. They told me of a valley that we'll never see again, when the coal mines found employment for 40,000 men. The anthracite was plentiful down in the Rhondda sea, but the owners wanted closures and economising schemes. Oh Mardy, oh Mardy, the last pit in the Rhondda. My father had to fight to earn a living from the mine. If he was here today, he'd join us on the picket line. His lungs were full of muddy dust, for that's the price of coal. The dust it took his body, but the union gained his soul. Oh Mardy, oh Mardy, the last pit in the Rhondda. The women of the Rhondda are out on the picket line to stop the coal board's closure plan and save the Mardy mine, fighting for our children and the town where we belong. You'll hear their voices singing, we are women, we are strong. Oh Mardy, oh Mardy, the last pit in the Rhondda. I marched with men from Cortonwood and with the Kersley wives. I've joined the Durham miners, like us fighting for their lives. I've stood with lads from Nottingham down on that Orgreave field, and faced the dogs and truncheons and the bloody riot shields. Oh Mardy, oh Mardy, the last pit in the Rhondda. There's mist down in the valley and the snow upon the hill. No men walk through the empty streets, the pit lies quiet and still. There's a keen wind down the valley road that bites into your skin. But the people of the Rhondda will keep fighting till they win. Oh Mardy, oh Mardy, the last pit in the Rhondda.